Okay, this tutorial has me kneeling on a couple of 3x3 garden bricks. Now, you could use some firm books, but you want a hard surface, so foam yoga blocks aren't going to work. And this is for anybody that when they go back and forward on hands and knees, their pelvis tends to either anteriorly tilt or posteriorly tuck, which I just demonstrated. So you'll come onto those objects, knees under the hips, and then you're going to pull the balls of your feet up the wall so that you start to feel some back of the thigh stuff kick on. Then you're going to exhale, let your ribs move back and shift your hips back towards the wall. Once you're back, inhale, and then come forward. What you will find is that, and you want to keep the feet pulling up the wall the whole time, is you're going to feel this in your hips. Those of you that kind of find that your pelvis wiggles on the hips, or you have a hard time with pelvic stability, this is going to get you right into your hips. So go back and forward a few times. I like to inhale when I'm back, feel my sit bones widen, and then exhale as I move forward. And then take both your feet and shins to the right. Now here, what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about rolling up the pinky side of my right foot to take my hips back. And rolling down or away from me, my left pinky side of my foot. And then I go to the other side. And I might still think about rolling up my right pinky toe and rolling down my left, but I'm going to encourage you to try both ways on both your sides, because this is going to lead into a discussion later on during December and January's classes where we talk about our up and our down legs. Give it a shot. Notice how your hips feel and how downward dog feels after you do this. 5 to 10 breaths forward and back with the shins and feet to the right, and then with the shins and feet to the left. See how much more I can move at my hip joint when I come up into downward dog after that exploration. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes for you and what you notice and discover.